What's up, YouTube? Have you ever replaced a door molding on a Gbody from 1986? I could say I've never have. Man. So it was glued in and push pinned in. I've actually never visually saw a brand new window seal. All right. I mean, of course, 1986. So it was glued in, had two push pins here, 2 push pins over there, some rubber cement, peeled it all out, scraped it all out, glued it back in. I was very skeptical of the eBay cheapest weather stripping kit for my Gbody, but I can say it fit perfect. I really don't want to do this today, so yeah, it wasn't fun. But here's what the other side looked like. So if you get a comparison, you can see how the glass has completely worn it out. I repaired it with some silicone years ago. The other side was just all decayed out inside of here. You can see it's starting to tear there. So yeah, so it fit very well. I put new belt strips on these a while ago. I have another set of belt strips once I take the doors apart to prep them. I think I'm going to wrap this in white and black carbon fiber. But yeah, I am so happy to not see that ugliness on my car anymore. I am so happy not to see the ugliness anymore. But check it out. Fit perfect. Cheapest eBay weather strip kit. And that fits perfect. I think I'm going to do the trunk while I'm waiting for my brother. Thanks for watching.